Okay guys, so how to make $100 every single day with Traffic Cash List. Welcome to my new video. With this video guys, I want to show you how to get your affiliate link from TrafficCashList.com and how to promote your affiliate link with TrafficCashList.com. I decided to use TrafficCashList to promote because this is the best traffic that you can use to get traffic to your affiliate link. You can promote your ClickBank affiliate link. You can promote CPA offers. You can promote Warrior Plus. This is the best traffic that you can use to promote any affiliate link. So I decide to show you how to use Traffic Cash List as an affiliate, how to get your affiliate link, how to promote your affiliate link using free traffic, and if we have a time, I will show you how to promote using paid traffic and get commission daily. Before I will start, I will show you my proof. So let's go to my account and orders and payment. You can see I make a lot of cash from a Traffic Cash List. All you have to do is get your affiliate link and promote. Okay, so how to get your affiliate link? After you make your account, go to the index page and copy your domain, your website index, and go one more time to my account and affiliate marketing tools. Then you will get this page. Now basically your affiliate link is here. This is your affiliate link, but I want to make it more easy to get your affiliate link. So all you have to do is put the domain of the website here. Okay, put the domain of Traffic Cash List here and click transform. That's it. You will get this link. All you have to do is copy and test it. Go to your browser and test it, and you will get this link. Okay, now how to get traffic to your link and get commission daily. You can visit free traffic.makingmoneyacademy.net. You will find this page. Okay, so you can see here, free solo ads. All this website is free solo ads. So let's visit one of them and remember login one more time. Okay, go to members area in the bottom and you will get credit mailer. Okay, so you will get this page. Basically you have to use this website using Firefox browser. It's better to use Firefox browser. Basically you have to put your title here, some text here, and your link here. Okay, your affiliate link here, and put some credit. I don't have right now credit. I already sent my email today. Okay, so basically you have to put your affiliate link here and send. You can send one email every single day using this website. After you finish, you have to go to the evolution mailer .com and send your email to, and of course you have to send using all this website and get traffic to your affiliate link. You can use also these two websites. It's fantastic to get traffic. I will show you exactly how this works. You can see here in the bottom, click for member area and login. Okay, I want to show you my email history, how many clicks I get. You can see I am getting unlimited clicks and visitors to my affiliate link. All you have to do is go to send and email, then go here, email now, put your title, put your email body. You can also put your link, and you have to put your link also here and click to check your email links. Then you can send your email. One more website, your viral traffic. This is the same website, but not the same members.
Are you tired
Okay,
of
so you
surfing?
have to use both. Let's give it a time. Okay, okay. And you will get this page. So let's go to email history. Here, send emails, email history. Look at this. I am, for every email, I am getting a lot of clicks and visitors to my landing page. Of course, you can promote any affiliate link using this free traffic. Okay, you can use any, you can promote any affiliate link using this free traffic. Also, I recommend to use million leads for free. You can visit and go to login. You will get this page. You can go here to post to open contacts. Okay, I already sent my emails today, so I have to wait 15 hours. Okay, then I will send again. Basically, you get the point. Okay, now you know how to get your affiliate link, and you know how to send your affiliate link using free traffic. I forget something. Okay, you can also use Trafboost is one of the best traffic, free traffic that you can promote your affiliate link, and traffic bonus. You can use both also to get free traffic and get a commission daily. Now I want to show you very cheap traffic that you can promote a TrafficCashList affiliate link. This traffic is good only for a traffic niche. Okay, you can't promote, let's say, clickbank or CPA offers. This traffic is good only for a traffic cash list or traffic niche. Okay, so this traffic, sorry, okay, cash trouble. Sorry, my internet is very slowly. Okay, so you have to make your free account and log in, and you have here in the left manage ads. Okay, so you can see I am promoting unlimited affiliate links here. I am testing unlimited product here. You can promote your affiliate link using paid to click ads. This is a PTC website, and you can use banner ads. Let me show you how many clicks. You can see I get here almost 13 clicks, almost 100 clicks, 7 clicks. I am promoting different banners. You can promote two using banners. So how this work? Let's go to paid to click ads. All you have to do, create a new ads and put your affiliate link, target URL. You have to put your affiliate link, type something here, and you need a banner. If you want a banner, you can make banners using Photoshop or search in Google for banners, and make your advertising. You will get unlimited traffic from this website. This website, I want to say it again, this website is good only for a traffic niche. Okay, so you can promote only TrafficCashList.com. You can't, I don't recommend to you to promote clickbank or CPA offers or Warrior Plus. Okay, you can't promote this product using this website. You can promote only traffic cash list or a traffic niche. Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.